For the majority of South Africans, the prospect of a better life seems out of reach, and the things that many of us take for granted are by no means guaranteed. Things like an education, earning opportunities, and a measure of independence. And while lots of us want to make a difference, we don't always know how, so this is your chance. Relate is a 100% not-for-profit social enterprise that was founded with a vision to help the less fortunate create better lives for themselves. Our trademark, our bead, on all Relate bracelets is our commitment that over 60% of our income goes to social upliftment and credible causes.
So it was Relate's vision to find creative solutions to lessen the divide between the haves and the have-nots. So when you're wearing a bracelet, it's not really about a bracelet. This is about an opportunity for people to wear the change they want to see and be part of that incredible movement for change.
So it's a sustainable loop that Lauren has designed, and maybe that's why it is a bracelet, because it's a virtuous cycle from the gogos being able to fund their families to helping other causes across South Africa.
A significant portion of the proceeds goes to township seniors who use their earnings to support their families and AIDS orphan grandchildren, and to giving disadvantaged young adults the opportunities they need to help start them out in life, and to assisting fledgling organizations to reach their potential through our enterprise development initiatives. We've supported more than 65 charitable causes to date, from social upliftment and health to conservation.
What I love about Relate is its business model. I love that it's 100% non-profit, transparent. You can go online and literally see where everything goes. That's important to me. Whatever's generated, the proceeds go straight to great causes and the gogos.
I think everybody's seen the little bracelets that are on sale across the country. It's very important for anyone buying them that they do include the R, which is a kind of a trademark for the bracelet, and that makes sure that the money is going to the right place.
Great partnerships bring about great change. Since Relate's inception in 2008 and our first bracelet with Nando's, we've been privileged to work with some of South Africa's corporate and retail giants. Since becoming a trust in 2010, Relate has raised over 28 million for social upliftment, created earning opportunities for over 350 people, supported over 65 causes, and sold close to 1.8 million bracelets globally.
Our ultimate aim at Relate is to really get every employed South African, tax-paying South African, to buy just one bracelet every single year. If we can do that, we can raise R250 million, which is, it sounds ridiculous, a small little bracelet that can do that, but really lots of little makes big.
Join our movement for change.